Ignition and liftoff.
SpaceX has successfully launched a Falcon 9 rocket from the Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, Florida on Tuesday evening. The rocket was carrying the next batch of 49 Starlink satellites for the company's Internet Satellite Constellation system. As confirmed on Twitter, SpaceX says the 49 satellites were successfully deployed. The satellites launch was intended to help provide broadband Internet access across the globe. The launch had originally been scheduled for Monday evening, but officials decided to move the launch to Tuesday due to more favorable weather conditions for liftoff and booster recovery.
Nico. Stage separation. Indirect ignition.
Again, this was our second flight for both of those, and we will be attempting to recover them on our recovery vessel, Doug. It looks like you can just...
Meanwhile, Microsoft is buying the gaming company Activision Blizzard for $68.7 billion, gaining access to blockbuster games like Call of Duty and Candy Crush.
The all-cash deal will let Microsoft, the maker of the Xbox gaming system, accelerate mobile gaming and provide building blocks for the metaverse or a virtual environment. The announcement on Tuesday arrives with Activision still in turmoil over allegations of misconduct and unequal pay. Activision disclosed last year it was being investigated by the Securities and Exchange Commission over complaints of workplace discrimination. The deal follows Microsoft's $7.5 billion acquisition last year of ZeniMax Media, parent company of video game publisher Bethesda Softworks. Microsoft says in both cases the deals will help strengthen its Xbox Game Pass game subscription service.